Hey guys, I'm Ellie and welcome to my channel. Today I decorated my room for Christmas and I could not be more excited about it. You want a sneak peek? I bet you do. Whoop, whoop. So as I was thinking of video ideas that I want to do for the holidays, which by the way I have tons planned and I'm so excited, I was thinking about, decorating my room, making it all cute, and I was like, why don't I just film a video of me decorating my room, put some Christmas music to it, just a really fun way to get you in the holiday spirit and maybe give you ideas for how to decorate your room. So this definitely is not like DIY decor, it's just how I decorated my room, and I figured that would be enough to maybe give you some ideas for your own room. So this video is going to be pretty short and sweet, but I hope you enjoy it and I hope it gets you in the holiday spirit. Straight from the Christmas tree farm. Oh my gosh, it grew with lights on it.
Well, I'm all for Christmas, all the happy smiles and the wishes, and I want it all from the lights to the mistletoe. Tell me one thing, is there anything that you're missing? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. This Christmas I only wanna be close to you. Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. Well, I'm all for Christmas. It's a magical time full of kisses. Take a walk outside and tickle the snowman's nose. Moving nimbly, did you hear something from the chimney? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Oh, whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. Well, I'm all for Christmas. It's a magical time full of kisses. Take a walk outside and tickle the snowman's nose. Moving nimbly, did you hear something from the chimney? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Oh, whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. This Christmas I only wanna be close to.
Thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and comment down below if you decorate your room for Christmas or not. I think I just decorate for fall and Christmas, but my mom is the ultimate decorator. Which, by the way, some of you wonder if I like live alone. I definitely do not. I'm 18. I still live with my parents and my siblings. But like I was saying, my mom is the ultimate decorator. She decorates for every single holiday. Easter, Christmas, the 4th of July. What else is there? Fall, Thanksgiving, Halloween, St. Patrick's Day. I still to this day have never met anyone else that decorates for St. Patrick's Day, but that's probably where I get my love of decorating from. Anyway, what was the question? Oh, yeah, comment down below if you decorate your room for Christmas. And I think that's all I have to say. Make sure you're getting super pumped for my holiday videos because I'm so excited. And yeah, I hope you guys have a fantastic day and a great start to the Christmas season. Don't forget to subscribe if you would like to, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling.